The obesity epidemic is one of the world's most serious public health problems. Overweight and obesity are the fifth leading risk for global deaths and major risk factors for a number of chronic diseases, including diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and cancer. While dropping the extra weight has long been a goal for people who want to improve their health and appearance. But a different type of fat called brown fat may help us lose weight. Brown adipose tissue, or brown fat, is abundant in newborns and in hibernating mammals. It allows for non-shivering heat generation in hibernating animals and non-furry newborn mammals. In adults, brown fat is only present in small amounts. Brown fat is able to dissipate energy by producing heat, unlike white fat that stores energy as triglycerides. White fat contains large globules of triglycerides, whereas brown fat contains numerous smaller droplets of triglycerides, much more mitochondria, and an uncoupling protein 1, or thermogenin. This specialized protein uncouples ATP production from mitochondrial respiration and converts energy into heat. During metabolism of glucose or fats in the mitochondria down the electron transport chain, protons get pumped from the matrix through the inner mitochondrial membrane into the intermembrane space. Thermogenin or uncoupling protein 1 pumps the protons back into the matrix to generate heat. When we sense cold, our sympathetic nerves release chemicals in brown fat that stimulate proliferation and heat production by brown fat cells. Brown fat tissue is stimulated to kick up glucose. In fact, studies show that brown fat deposits are often undetectable in people who are kept warm. The metabolic activity of brown fat is lower in older and obese individuals. This inverse relationship between the brown fat activity and body fatness suggests that brown fat is protective against body fat accumulation because of its energy dissipating activity. Since brown fat takes calories from normal fat and burns it, brown fat is a promising therapeutic target for combating human obesity and related metabolic disorders. Scientists have already successfully stimulated brown fat growth in mice. Although trials to stimulate brown fat growth in humans have not begun, there are high hopes of solving the human obesity problem in the future. Meanwhile, we can try to activate our brown fat by staying in the cold.